What is modular programming? Explained in simple words. What is modular programming? Modular programming is a way of writing programs by dividing them into smaller, independent modules or functions. In simple words, modular programming equals breaking a big program into smaller, reusable pieces. Each module handles a specific task, making the code easier to read, maintain, and debug. Why modular programming is important. Makes code easier to understand. Helps in reusing code. Makes debugging faster and simpler. Enables collaboration among multiple programmers. Improves scalability for large projects. Example of modular programming. Python. Suppose we want to create a program that calculates the area of a rectangle and a circle. Hash module 1. Rectangle area. Def rectangle underscore area. Length. Width. Return length asterisk width. Hash module 2. Circle area. Def circle underscore area. Radius. Pi equals 3.14159. Return pi asterisk radius asterisk radius. Hash main program. L equals 5. W equals 3. R equals 4. Print. Rectangle area. Quote. Rectangle underscore area. L. W. Print. Circle area. Quote. Circle underscore area. R. Output. Rectangle area. 15. Circle area. 50.26544. Explanation. Each function is a module. Functions can be reused anywhere in the program. Code is organized and readable. Key features of modular programming. Separation of concerns means each module does one job. Reusability means modules can be used in other programs. Ease of maintenance means fixing a module does not break the entire program. Collaboration friendly means multiple developers can work on separate modules. Real-life analogy. Think of modular programming like building with Lego blocks. Each block equals a module. Build small parts first, then combine them to create a big structure. You can replace or improve a block without affecting others. Advantages of modular programming. Checkmark code is organized and readable. Checkmark easy to debug and test. Checkmark modules are reusable. Checkmark supports teamwork in programming. Checkmark simplifies large project management. Disadvantages of modular programming. Crossmark requires good design up front. Crossmark too many modules can be hard to manage. Crossmark slightly more complex structure for very small programs. Simple definition. Modular programming equals a programming style where a large program is broken into smaller, independent, and reusable modules or functions. Final summary. Modular programming allows programmers to checkmark write clean, readable, and maintainable code. Checkmark reuse modules in multiple programs. Checkmark work collaboratively in teams efficiently. Checkmark debug and test faster and safer. Without modular programming, crossmark code can become messy and hard to manage. With modular programming, checkmark programs are organized, scalable, and easy to maintain.